This isn't an action movie, it's the action of a brave hero who rushed into a vehicle to stop it when the driver was unconscious. Afterwards, he modestly walked away without needing anything in return. The poor quality of the sewer grate caused the child to fall in. The father was ready to do anything to rescue his son. Surely the boy will grow up to be as strong as his father. This girl was targeted by kidnappers, but a superhero rushed in and chased the villains away from her. As the child dashed onto the street, oblivious to the approaching traffic, this man not only demonstrated his prowess as a caring father, but also revealed his profound compassion for others by extending assistance to the motorcycle rider once he had secured his child's safety. Heroes also need the assistance of other heroes. Countless instances exist where individuals risk their lives to rescue animals in distress, and the lives of these rescuers are about saving other lives. When the husky dog choked on food, its heart stopped beating. However, this compassionate man spared no effort to save the dog. God bless him. As she teetered perilously close to the train's wheels, the vigilant passengers instinctively grasped her clothes and yanked her back from the brink. From the bewildered expression in her eyes, it was evident she hadn't even comprehended the gravity of the situation. This girl leaned dangerously out of the train and ended up paying the price for it. Passengers quickly grabbed her clothes and pulled her back from the brink of disaster. As the man gasped for breath beside his car, suffocating in the grip of an unseen danger, another driver swiftly intervened, extending a lifeline just in the nick of time. Struck London Underground passengers as the lights abruptly went out, doors jammed, and smoke filled the car. Amidst the panic, station workers emerged as heroes, breaking windows and releasing the trapped passengers, averting a disaster. During the All Blacks victory lap, a 14-year-old fan dashed onto the pitch, only to be tackled by a steward. However, this turned out to be a stroke of luck for the teenager, as New Zealand star Sonny Bill Williams took the fan under his wing. Halting the play to acknowledge that you touched the ball during a crucial point, as this tennis player did, epitomizes true sportsmanship and fair play. Respects. A beautiful image in sports, a small gesture that speaks volumes about one's character. In a fighter who was hurt, another fighter reached out to their opponent, assisting them to rise from the mat. Then, with a gesture embodying sportsmanship, they graciously handed back the championship belt. In a remarkable display of bravery, one such petite pooch recently fended off two bears, fearlessly protecting its owners from these unwelcome intruders. Truly, size mattered little in the face of such unwavering loyalty and determination. Tragically, a dog fell into a pool of molten rubber, trapped and struggling to breathe. Workers responded to its cries, tirelessly working for 2 hours to rescue the helpless animal from danger. The joy and excitement radiating from these women as they secure their very first sale just after launching their inaugural business venture and opening their store is simply heartwarming to witness. Sometimes genuine happiness comes from the simplest gestures, like being handed an ice cream by Spider-Man. Witness the heartwarming moment when an artist on the subway pleasantly surprises a family by crafting a personalized portrait of their child, spreading unexpected joy and creating a lasting memory. 3 stray dogs disregarded the rules and launched an attack on a kitten, but just in the nick of time, an adult cat intervened, bravely stepping in to protect the defenseless feline. This could be the reason why the cow doesn't charge at the man. Here's yet another remarkable instance of a dog displaying intelligence to aid another creature. It leaves us pondering, was the cat even cognizant of the assistance rendered? Avoiding stray dogs is advisable, but sometimes showing them a little love can make all the difference. This young man buys birds solely to release them, creating a win-win situation for both the birds and the seller. Thank you, kind-hearted person. Amidst a raging storm on an exposed bridge, bus drivers emerged as unsung heroes. They formed a protective shield with their vehicles, sheltering vulnerable motorcyclists from the fierce wind and rain. These individuals exemplified altruism and camaraderie by helping a stranded driver. They turned the situation into a moment of shared joy, showing how even mundane tasks can bring happiness when approached with a generous heart. What would you do if you see a car with its trunk open behind you?
Oh, thank you.
This is a great example of something we can do.
Oh.
This man not only offered to help, but also demonstrated extraordinary strength. Thank you, strong man. The journey to change the world often begins with a single act of kindness, such as stepping out of your car to assist a disabled individual in safely crossing the street, as exemplified by this heartwarming gesture. Unsung acts of kindness, those that no one mandates but are willingly carried out, are the true catalysts for making our world a better and more welcoming place for all. Basketball player Giannis Antetokounmpo graciously gifted a young fan a pair of sneakers adorned with his autograph. The boy's face lit up with pure joy at this unexpected and thoughtful gesture.
This for your sister. This for you.
Two cyclists engaged in a game of rock, paper, scissors to determine who would officially win the race, opting instead to cross the finish line together. This display of camaraderie and sportsmanship is a remarkable moment in professional cycling. the window cleaners transformed into superheroes to surprise the children at the hospital. As this renowned football player was on the verge of departing, a special fan unexpectedly appeared. What ensued next was a moment that would be remembered forever. During the pandemic, delivery driver Greg worked tirelessly, dedicating 6 days a week to his job, often including overtime shifts. In a heartwarming display of appreciation, the residents gathered to express their gratitude for his hard work and dedication. After dedicating 23 years of service at a grocery store, store clerk Tim McLeod amassed an entire fan club who organized a remarkable send-off for him. But the surprises didn't end there. During Tim's final shift, people collected over $26,000 as a token of appreciation for his years of hard work and dedication. Observe the sheer joy radiating from those students as they enthusiastically welcome their new teachers.
All from a Secret Santa.
An anonymous individual posing as a Secret Santa generously gifted a card to a teacher who had dedicated over 30 years to the school, consistently aiding children and animals in need. Despite her selfless acts, she lacked the means to replace her old car. Witness her emotional reaction upon receiving this unexpected and life-changing gift.
That's a key to an SUV that's right out here. That was great. Merry Christmas. Gonna give you a hug, Bonnie.
$. You can have whatever inside of this. Would you like to give it a try?
This woman agreed to purchase a piggy bank for $5, unaware of its hidden contents.
Oh, baby! $500 is in there. Oh my God. Yeah, you just won it. You're amazing. $500 for you. Yes, you're amazing.
A nursing mother, initially hesitant, trusts humans to save her hungry pups. Rescuers use food to distract her, enabling the puppy's rescue. Now, all have found a new home. These small acts of kindness alleviate the monkey's loneliness. It's heartening to see new friendships blossoming. Witness the heartwarming moment when people come together to free this man's dog from underground and observe his priceless reaction. Missing for 2 years, this dog was picked up by others but escaped and wandered the streets. Luckily, a kind-hearted person found and used the chip to reunite it with the original owner. As this professor conducted his final lesson before departing the school, his students had a surprise in store for him.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Hold them there. Hold them there. Hold on. I gotta take this.
And on his last day, the students made a collective decision to express their gratitude to their teacher.
Oh, you guys, you're gonna make me cry.
She's elated to be free from cancer, yet their joy seems to surpass even hers. The son-in-law gave her the ultimate Christmas gift by paying off her mortgage. He selflessly sold his valuable collection of Patrick Mahomes cards, which he had been collecting for years, to make it happen. This guy is so overwhelmed by the sight of his significant other that he's rendered speechless, unable to even move. Acts of kindness not only bring happiness to the doer, but also open the door to a brighter future for everyone. Let's together create goodness and make the world a warmer place by subscribing to the channel to spread kindness and create memorable moments together.